Grateful for another beautiful day always. We had news today and price reacted. Came all the way down to take out all of this liquidity that is built up, and now I believe we are going to be headed up. So with that in mind, I'm going to be looking for longs to take out data highs. There's relative equal highs here. I did enter a position already for $204, and the Top Step X platform was crashing. But I was able to take some profits. And sorry, the return on that was $177.20, and then the Top Step X platform crashed. There is a position right now that I'm looking to enter, but we'll kind of save that. Let's look at the news that's coming up. All right. So the news that's coming up, we got Fed Chair Powell that speaks at 10 a.m. All right. So core PPI came up about 0.5%. So yeah, I'm going to be looking for an entry on the 1 minute. There was an entry right here. It is going into midnight open and it's coming back down. So I'm probably, if price comes back down into this order block, then I'm going to take it. All right. So yeah, let's just sit tight. All right, looking at this chart right here. This is the Top Step X platform that was crashing. Price is coming back down. We do have news at 10 a.m., but I'm trying to be done trading before. So there's a volume imbalance right there. I'm going to buy one here. Tagged in. Let's see where this is going to be headed. I'm feeling like I shouldn't have entered, but you know what? Let me just take some profits. If it allows me to take some profits. Price action is being a little weird right now. It's probably because Fed chair is going to be talking at 10. All right, yeah. I'm not going to stick around for that. All right, actually I had gotten locked out. I didn't realize I was so close to my personal daily loss limit, even though my other accounts are not at $400 because this is the leader account. It's yeah, it's locked out. It is what it is. So I can't even trade anymore. But yeah, very early trading day. I do have one account that I'm going to be kind of messing around with. Maybe I'll share it with y'all, but I just don't want it to be confusing. But we'll see what happens. I need some feedback. So I have been trading Apex on the side as well as a couple other Top Step X accounts on the side that I have not been tracking, but they are doing a lot better than the ones that I have been tracking. So I don't know. It's getting a little messy, and I just need some feedback to see what y'all want to see, right? Because I want to be as transparent as possible. I have 10 Top Step X accounts because that's the maximum amount you're allowed to have at $19. So I just took advantage of that sale. One of them could be funded in the next day. As y'all saw this morning, I had the other accounts that I've been tracking. They got locked out at 400, and I have an Apex funded account, or I have an Apex account that just got funded today, right? So I did $3,000. I didn't record any of those trades though, and I just don't know how to go about this situation. Like, should I continue to trade the Top Step X account, or should I start tracking the Apex funded account? Like, it's just getting a little messy now. So, um, yeah, honestly, I want to continue to track the Top Step X account, the evaluations, until I get all of those funded. But it's just, yeah, it's getting a little messy. So, what are your thoughts? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Basically, what I did to get the Apex account funded was I rode this up, and then I basically over leveraged. And the Top Step X account, I basically rode this leg up, right? So those are the two accounts that I traded to get my total profitability to about 4,500. Now, if I include the other Top Step X accounts that got locked out at $400 an account, then that's what, like 3,000. So like I just don't know how to calculate this. It's getting a little messy. So basically, the thumbnail that you see on the video is going to be the three accounts that got locked out on Top Step X. Okay, I'm going to make that a decision now, but starting tomorrow, we will start tracking the funded account because that's going to be part of the challenge. And then when I get the Top Step X funded accounts, um, I'm going to start tracking those also. All right, but I guess the main priority would be the Apex One funded account. But let me know your thoughts. I'm curious to know what y'all want to see. And as you can see here, I took 51 trades in order for me to get to $3,000 today. I mean, it's kind of ridiculous, but you know, I had to get the job done, right? So, um, that's basically what I had to do. Um, yeah, I mean, I traded minis. This is not how I'm going to trade my main account. This is the dashboard for this, and then for the Top Step X, I basically did this across three accounts, and then the one account that I did well on, I did 1.5K. This one is at a total of 51.7. So I only need about 1.3K to get this one funded. So this one is probably going to be funded, or I'm going to try to get this funded as soon as possible so I can start trading on the TopStepX platform. All right, but let me know. Let me know your thoughts. If you haven't already, hit the like button, subscribe to join me on my journey to 100K, and I'll catch y'all tomorrow.